Alright guys, what's going on? We are out here. This is round 3 of the Hillbilly GP. We're at Loaiza Dairy Farms. I've heard it's a pretty fast course, so I'm excited about that. Let's see, I got the bike unloaded, just got signed up. Should be a good day. It is freaking cold though, I tell you that. Luckily, all the rain and everything moved south, so it's probably down in like Springfield area. Should be a good time. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get some footage of around the pits and stuff, just like last time. But got the bike all set up, got the new bars on last night. I trimmed my last bars, which was a huge mistake. Also put a new seat cover on the bike. It looks pretty good. So overall though, I'm pretty excited about the race. I'm looking forward to doing a little bit better than last time. Got everything, didn't forget the GoPro today. So we should be ready to roll. Get to do the practice lap here in a bit. Practice starts at 8:30. It's like 7 something right now, so we got a little bit of time. But other than that, guys, we're gonna have some fun and get some racing done today. All right, guys, so it is like 34 degrees outside. It is pretty cold. I'm hiding out in my truck because it's a lot warmer in here. There's a little bit of a breeze, no strong wind, luckily. I mean, if there was a wind, it would be outright miserable. Hopefully, once we get racing, I'll be able to build up some a little bit of a sweat and kind of be warm. I'm a little nervous because it is freezing, but I heard it's a really good course. There's nothing too technical about it. They said it was pretty flowy, so we should see how it goes. I know that they said there's a couple spots that are kind of rough, which I can believe. I grew up in this area, and it's definitely rocky, to say the least. Typical Missouri. Tom should be here soon, so we'll get him out here on video and see how he's doing. So like I said, going to be a cold one. It should be a pretty fast course. I think the laps are about 8 miles. Bike's looking pretty fresh today. I've got to do a couple quick things still, check the tire pressure, stuff like that, especially with this colder weather. But other than that, we're just kind of waiting on Tom to get here, and hopefully he'll get here about the time we can start practice. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. We're getting ready to go out for the practice lap. Getting a feeling for it. I'm going to try wearing my hoodie because it's freaking cold as balls out here. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned, guys. I'm not going to get any footage from the practice lap just because I've only got the one battery right now for the GoPro. So hopefully we'll make that last for the race. Tom's here now. He just got signed in. Hopefully he gets it unloaded and gets his bike warmed up and gets going. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the track. Alright, just came in for practice. Holy cow, it is muddy and slick. So it's going to be a good one. The bike is probably going to weigh at least 30 or 40 pounds after this race. Crazy out there. I'll tell you, there's going to be some pile-ups and probably some funnels going on for sure today, especially with all the mud and the slickness. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Yes.
Got Tom here. Look at him. Slowest rider on the course today. All right, guys, it's go time. We're going to helmet up and give it our all. So from here on out, it's all going to be GoPro footage. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already.
Get that whole shot, buddy.
15 seconds on row 2.
Go Luke! Get it, Ash.
guys, I just finished up. According to the reader, I got 20th, which is not a great finish again. This was a muddy one. It was super slick. I don't know how many times I went down, a bunch. I'm going to show you my bike here in a minute, but it's all tweaked up. I got some bent bars a little bit. I think it's actually just the mounts, so I should be able to loosen those up and get them straightened out, luckily. But my handguard's all busted up, missing part of it. It's tweaked as well. It's all bent up. I've got probably 30 pounds of mud on here, to say the least. But overall, I had a good time. It was a lot of fun. Definitely more of a challenge again. So I'm working on getting a little bit better each time. Having fun while doing it. But I think even on the races that I'm not doing awesome on, I'm still taking away something and still learning. So all you can do is take away from that and try to know where to improve and move on and keep going. So me and Tom both didn't do too hot. He finished like 16th. So he was just a few riders in front of me. Me and him kind of went back and forth a little bit. We're both gonna go do some more riding and try to get some practice in and get used to some of the new setup. We both got a few things going on. I did find out about a Dunlop AT81 EX that I want to give a shot, because I'm a huge fan of gummy tires and I really like the AT81. Found out that they got a gummy version called the EX, and I'm really pumped to give that a try. So hopefully by next race I'll have that new tire on. I'm going to go with just a regular AT81 front again. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to support the channel sponsors. I appreciate everything they do. They help make all this stuff possible for me and also and make it to where you guys can enjoy the videos. I'm going to check out on that one, guys. So I'll see you next time. Hopefully we'll be doing a ride video here soon within the next week. So stay tuned. See you soon. What do you think, Tom?
Man, it was slick out there.
That was a rough race.
It was.
I think I definitely learned a few things. I know that it hurts when you wreck. He says today it rode him more than he rode it, which I would agree that my bike did the same. I just want to point out that we're in the middle of nowhere and there's randomly a fucking Dollar General over here. There's like the junction. That's it. Nothing else is around. We're just in the middle of fields.